Welcome to day 2 of your first 30 days on Kajabi. This is a 30-day video series that I'm doing, helping you walk through the very first 30 days that you're on Kajabi, which is the best all-in-one online business platform there is. If you're on Kajabi, this will give you the tools that you need to know and the things that you need to do in these first 30 days to get success on the platform. If you're not on Kajabi yet, you might as well use my link, lanesebring.com/Kajabi. You get a free 30-day trial, which is perfect. That's why I did this. You get 30 days free. You can try out everything that we're talking about in this video, see if Kajabi works for you. And you get my 3 exclusive bonuses: Kajabi Accelerator, the exclusive masterclass, the top 3 mistakes that new Kajabi users make, and the 25K course launch email template. All that is yours for using my link. You can find that at lanesebring.com/Kajabi. Today, we're going to be talking about your website. We're actually going to do a couple of videos on your website itself, because it's very important to get this right and to do your website well from the start. And so starting out, the very first thing that you have to decide on Kajabi is what is the template that you're going to use for your Kajabi site. And so what you're going to do is go over here to website, go to design, and that's going to bring up this. And the kind of standard template is this premier site. And it's going to be just kind of a standard website that you can use. Now, down here, you can go to browse templates, and it's going to pull up all the different website templates that you can choose from. So for example, streamlined home is one that I love to use and I'd love to recommend, simply because it's streamlined. For one thing, it's easy to use. And I personally don't like a lot of complexity in my websites. I like to work with as close to a blank slate as I can and then go from there. And in tomorrow's video and in the subsequent videos, we're going to talk a little bit more about your website pages and the landing pages. But today we're just focusing in on what is the template that you need to choose. And I would advise to choose a template and go ahead and start building some things out on it, and particularly your homepage. What I suggest with your homepage is that your homepage is centered around one call to action. What this means is that when somebody lands on your homepage, you make it very easy and very clear for them to know exactly what you want them to do. And I suggest that you make your homepage all about your main lead magnet, because your website is really designed to get people from your website to your email list. What we're trying to do is get people from your content to your email list, from your website to your email list, from your social media to your email list. Everything is about getting people from being a casual observer of your content, your website, or your social media to a subscribed contact, because that's how we can offer them the products that you sell and you can begin to make money. And so when it comes to your website and the template that you choose, my suggestion is go with the website template that's going to get you the simplest path from the person viewing your website to your email list. So what is the most streamlined, simple way to do that? And in my case, I'm going to say streamlined home. And if you want an example of what this looks like, we can look at my website, which is lanesebring.com. So this is just an example. This is streamlined home, where at the very top, it's I help you replace your 9-to-5 income with a thriving online business without hustle, grind, or having to build a large social media following. You can get started by downloading the super simple guide to starting a thriving online business, which, by the way, you can get that as well. If you go to lanesebring.com/super simple, that is the super simple guide to starting a thriving online business. So you can get that and be well on your way to doing the same. But you notice that there's the call to action for that guide here. There's also the call to action for that guide up here. And then as you go down the page, it's just more about the guide: how to choose the best niche, define your target audience, build your first online course. It's all in the guide. And then down here, I have even more about the guide and another button to get it. So this was done in Streamlined Home inside Kajabi. Again, this is why you can go from this very simple template of streamlined home that just looks like this to something that looks, respectable, simple, clean, and it works. It does the job that it's supposed to do. Now, I do want to mention that if you want some help with your templates, there is an option down here. If you click on more and go to custom templates, there are people who can make custom templates for you, or that have made custom templates, and you can buy the custom template if that's something you want to do. I don't think that this is necessary unless you have an online business that's incredibly creative. You have a very specific brand that you're trying to achieve. In that case, you might want to look at some of these more aesthetically pleasing templates. You don't have to buy them. Here's the free ones. You can look here. There's Let's Get Creative. There is Kim, Amelia, Serenity, Reach. There's different, templates for different theming that you might want to do. So today, decide on a template. This is not something that should take you very long to decide. It's actually should be one of the quickest decisions you make. Go ahead, install the template, and familiarize yourself with all the pages that come with it. Tomorrow, we're going to dive into your actual website pages, like your blog page and the different pages that go along with the standard website, and I'll help you build all those out. So I'll see you in there. And again, don't forget to join Kajabi so that you can use your free trial to walk through all of these videos with me, lanesebring.com/Kajabi.